This right here is the Makita DHW080 brushless 36 volt or twin 18 volt pressure washer. I'm joined by James from Makita.
Hi, Dan.
Now this is a lovely bit of kit. I know I say it a lot. I know you've probably heard. I get on people's nerves when I say this is a lovely bit of kit, but this is. I think the beauty that we're looking at from this is the fact that right here you have a pressure washer, but you aren't bound to plugging it in or running directly from a water source, because the water source is in this tank right here. So I mean, this is perfect to have, right?
Yeah, absolutely. So you can run it off 3 different types. You can either have a standard garden hose off a water butt or any body of water, or you can use your built-in 50 litre body of water underneath.
I mean, that's a great capacity. I mean, it's already a luxury to have this without, you know, needing your water source or you know, needing to plug it in. It's already a luxury to have this, but 50 litre capacity as well, that is impressive. And I think with this, you know, we're running off of 2 18 volt batteries, am I right?
Yes, yeah, 2 18 volts to power our 36 volt motor, which will push up to 80 bar.
Lovely stuff, and am I right, we've got 2 speed settings as well?
Yeah, so you've got your standard tortoise in here on Makita tools. We've got our 35 bar or our 55 bar, and like I said, we can get up to 80, possibly with the garden hose.
And that is lovely stuff, and I think that is the beauty of this. You know, you don't have to be bound, you don't have to be close, you know, to your hose or anything like that. You get the freedom with this, and that is something that's going to be great. Even if you're out on the work site, this is something, you know, we work with quite a few construction Instagrammers and stuff like that. We know a lot of people that, you know, are looking to clean their digger or something like that. This is going to be perfect to have on site for those kind of situations where you're looking to, you know, clean off the machinery that you're not, you know, unless what, you bring the digger out into the garden, you're not really going to be able to do that. So having the flexibility with that, having this on Cordless, I can't sing the praises high enough. Thank you very much, James, for joining us. If you're interested, head over to its.co.uk and get yourself a twin 18 volt or 36 volt. This is the Makita DHW080 brushless pressure washer.